So if you guys have seen one of these or have one of these, inevitably you've seen the hose pop off under pressure. If you have seen these pop off, or you have one that doesn't work, or it squeezes water out the side, I've got something for you. You need to buy one of these. It's exactly the same system how it connects to the end of your tap. It just connects to the hose differently. So you just insert it into the hose. It's barbed on the insert. You put an O-ring over it, tighten it up, and I promise you it will never ever blow off again. It connects to a normal tap end that you have at home, so you can connect to anyone's hose or tap while you're traveling. So there'll be a link below where you can pick one of these up. It will change your world, your RV world.
Or even life at home.
Yeah, if you've got a tap at home and you've got a pressurized garden hose and it keeps leaking, this is what you need to buy.